Okay guys, welcome back to Azuko Graphics GH, and my name is Isa Haruna, and today I'm going to take you through the step. I'll be asking how do I get my design resource for any design project I will embark on. So today I'm going to take you through on how to get the quality and the HD version of resources to use in your tutorial or to use in your design projects. And I'm going to use these two sites. So first thing that will come into your mind is Google. Google is the only first thing that will come into your mind. So in Google, this is what you can search and you get. So let's say worship test. So in this worship test, so if this is type and we go to the image, so as you can see worshippers, and here is so many of worshippers. In case you are designing for a church worship, then you will get more of the background here, as you can see. So let's say something like this. So but to remind you, each resource here comes with a site where you can have it more and more. So you can see each one has a site, and this one can be found on crosswalk.com. so before you use it, you right click on it, you save the image. You right click on it, then you save the image as JPEG. You save the image as JPEG. So here you go. Then you can use it in your background, in your design. So let's search another one and see. Okay, background. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so here too you can see there are so many backgrounds here that you can download and use them in your design project, as long as you want to have more design background. So it's good with the same procedure. You just click on it, right click on it, and go to save image as. Then it will load and come. This is what I want to. If anytime you want to download an image and it come in this form, you cannot use it in your tutorial. You just have to go away with it. It's either you go to the site itself, or you just ignore and go and get another one to use. So these are backgrounds that you can download, and mostly I got most of my background here. And at the same time, this can also be used to search for inspiration for your design. So let's say church flyer design. So church flyer design, and it's going to give me, in case I'm embarking on a church flyer project. So here we are. It has given me a lot of church flyer design that can inspire me to have my own design. So as you can see, all the designs are all church flyers that can inspire you to get. So the other site I'm going to recommend for you is Pinterest, and this one too is also the same procedure. So this one too also has more backgrounds. As you can see, there are more backgrounds that you can use in your design project. And another one is also You can also get church inspiration, or you can also get inspiration for any design project you want to embark on. So you just have to click these three dots, then you go to download image, then you can see it here. It has been downloaded. So this is how it also goes with this. So as you can see, there are more designs here. So let's get back to the main for search for resource. So in case you are here and there's nothing shown here for you to see, you just use this search, then you type in worship background. Okay, so worship background, and let's see what it will give us. Okay, so as you can see, there are so many worship backgrounds that you can use to download and use them in your design project. So as you can see, it has given us more of design backgrounds. So it's only for you to type in what actually you want. And let's say I'm doing for a convention background. Convention background. So okay, so in case I'm doing it for a convention and I want a convention background, so as you can see, there are so many convention backgrounds. So something like, let's say something like this. This is a convention. So in case I'm doing it for one, I want a picture of this such. So the little thing, once you click on it, as you can see, it can be found on PROPHETIC, and this one is also a site where you can get more designs and other things. And the next, our next video is going to be on how to search for a design template and use them in your design project. So as you can see, there are so many design here. There are so many. So guys, this is how you can search for design resource and use them in your design project. And the same thing, the other one is on design inspiration. So let's say I'm just looking for a church. I'm just looking for a church flyer inspiration, church flyer design, and here is another church flyer design that I can get on Pinterest. So guys, these are two sites I will recommend it for you to use in searching for your design resource. It's only for you to type in the correct word, exact word you need, and you can have everything sorted out for you. So as you can see, there are different types of backgrounds. Some are even already mixed for you to use. It's just for you to, so something like this, it has already been designed for you. You just need to key in your words and other things. And so as you can see, there are so many backgrounds here for you to use. So guys, this is how to search for design resources using Google or Pinterest. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, and that video will be on how to design a church flyer. Thank you. Bye. Here is Wazico Graphic Genius. Kindly subscribe to the channel if this video has been a help to you, and let's grow the channel together. Bye.